What's up guys? I'm back here with the VT500C. This time it's for something that I didn't anticipate. It's actually for the Petcock. So the Petcock leaks and I tried resealing it and the resealing didn't solve the problem. So we're just gonna go ahead and replace it with the new Petcock. This is just a bargain find off of eBay. You can still get these from Honda if you really wanted to. I don't see an issue with this one. It looks pretty well made. So in order to get the Petcock off, there's fuel in here. And rather than draining the fuel into another container and then putting it back, maybe putting it back, I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the seat, lift the tank off so I can tilt it, and then get the fuel to the opposite end, replace the Petcock, and then get it all buttoned back up. Let me get started with that. Cool, so this bike's been super modified. So this just has a simple bolt here. Looks like there should have been two. And a little pin here. Pop that out with a washer. And that should let me get the back side of the seat up so I can pull it out. Yeah, too easy. There we go. Keep that off to the side. And here we've got, on this one, we've got like a hex head bolt. Factory might not be a hex bolt. So I'm just gonna go ahead and undo this really quick. All right, got that bolt off. All right, and before, let's see. So I got my vacuum line. I also have to remove this fuel line that feeds the carburetors. Okay. All right, so we got this off now. I'm gonna tilt it this way. Let me get something to rest this on so it doesn't get all scratched up more than it already is. All right, not very much gas in here, so just have it tilted on its side. Just gonna go ahead and take this off. Got these really good Knipex, forget what they're called, pipe wrench pliers or something. Knipex. All right, so that plastic filter actually has to come out too. All right, this is actually kind of hard to get out. I wonder why. There we go. I mean, not too bad, not too good. Not too bad, spilling a little bit of fuel all over the place. All right, so the new one, it's got a few little plastic shreds on there, nylon shreds from the filter. Something, little shreds, whatever. All right, so got this on from here. Okay. All right, there we go. Got it on there. I'm gonna need the switch facing forward. Okay, so this one, it feels good. I mean, went on pretty easily. Just the Petcock. You know, I always wonder like who came up with the names for these things. So, you know, in Triumph they call it a fuel tap. I think other brands call it other things too. But Petcock, such a funny word for fuel switch. Okay, I'm not killing it here. I'm just trying to make sure it's going to have a good, nice, tight seal. So got that in place. Make sure it's off, which it is. There's a new Petcock in place. All right, then we'll slap this thing back together. Same way took it apart. Well, maybe easier than we took it apart. Let's get this fuel line back on there. Feels a little bit tighter than the other one did coming off. All right, so I've got it all in place. Just tightening the hose clamp on the fuel feed. Everything back there still looks good. I'll put my vacuum line back on. All right, so I'm gonna have to replace this vacuum line. It's a little too short now. Well, actually, it comes out the front. So I'll run it here to here. There we go. So we'll cut the length of vacuum line. Oh, we'll cut the right length of vacuum line to go from the cylinder here. Dang, I would like it a little bit shorter. Let me see. Maybe an inch. There we go. That way it's just a little bit tighter. Doesn't have as much to hang out. There we go. I'm just putting it right back together the same way I took it off. Screw this in. Pretty sure it's just missing a piece of trim back here. I don't really know what goes back here, but I'm sure this isn't what you're supposed to be seeing. Maybe like a little vanity cover or something. We'll figure it out. All right, that was fairly quick. Maybe 30 minutes real time. Didn't really spill much fuel, just a little bit on that cardboard box. Yeah, I'm ready to go test this out to see, make sure it's not leaking. All right, so the Petcock's been replaced. No more leaking, no more dripping of the fuel. I'll get a quick close-up for you so you can see. And this thing is good to go. It was running for about 15, 20 minutes a couple hours ago. Yeah, so one more thing complete on this bike. It's a pretty cool old bike, really loud. Yeah, thanks for your support. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.